Welcome back. In this video tutorial, let's take the overview of online lecture. For that, let's enter into basic electrical engineering course from Polytechnic diploma level. There are 6 online lectures available from this course. So let's explore the lecture about parallel circuit. There is a small delay of 30 to 50 seconds depending on your connection speed. It is required for the buffering of the content. After this initial delay, it plays without interruption.
Welcome to online lecture about parallel circuits. So let us begin.
With this audio control, I can reduce the level of audio signal of the online lecture. I am reducing it so that my video lecture can continue further. This is the title bar, where the title of the video lecture appears and the total duration of the video lecture is indicated. Here appears the photograph of the author, the name of the author, that is Mr. Santosh Dongaonkar. You can explore more information about the author by clicking here and get the information as a link to the home page, email ID, his educational qualifications and experience. Let's collapse back again. Then this is the main slide area, where the bulleted items appear in a hierarchical structure. For example, these 3 bulleted items are sub-points of this main item. As you can see, each animation is synchronized with the corresponding audio lecture of the online lecture. Then this is the navigation area of the online lecture. With this control, you can pause the online lecture or play it again. With this, you can go to the previous slide. With this, you can go to the next slide. This is the progress bar, and this arrow indicate the current position of playing on this progress bar. This highlighted area indicate that this much portion of the online lecture is already played. This is downloaded and ready for playing, and this is still not downloaded but will be downloaded in a due course of time. There are different view modes possible for the online lecture. This is the default view. The next view, by clicking here, we can observe, and another one we can see by clicking once again the same button. If you click back the same button once again, you are again back to the default view. Now let's explore these 6 different tabs here. So let's start from the rightmost tab, which is meant for the references. It includes the references from the Wikipedia. For example, if I click this, the respective parallel circuit article from the Wikipedia appears in the different window. In the same way, there are 2 more links. There are some 3 links available here for the YouTube video on the same topic of the online lecture. With this last but one tab from the right, you can search for any keywords in this audio lecture. For example, I want to search for the keywords current. So I enter the word current and hit this button. All the slides where the current word is appearing are indicated below. You can go to the any slide by clicking any one of the link. Then this third slide, that is notes area, it indicates the audio lecture in a text format. It helps you to understand the lecture in case you miss out some of the audio part or audio lectures and then are not clear about some of the part of the audio lecture. So you can refer the text based lecture and understand at your own pace. This provides the thumbnail view of the online lecture, and this provides the outline view of the online lecture. The part of the lecture which is already played are indicated in the brown color, The part of the lecture which are downloaded and ready to play are indicated in the black color, while the part of the lecture which is still not downloaded will be indicated in the gray color. After initial title slide of the lecture, the learning objectives are set for you to achieve after successful completion. Then it introduces the topic of the online lecture to you so that your curiosity about it is aroused. Then it starts with the main topic of the interest, which in this case is the parallel circuit. In the last but one slide, that is summary slide, it summarizes each important key terms and the formula covered in this online lecture. The key terms appearing in these online lectures are listed here on this slide for the key terms, and then appears the most important part of the online lecture, that is self-test, which provides you the feedback about your own learning. So let's explore the self-test. As you can see, this self-test consists of total 7 questions, and the first question is displayed here. With this you can go to the next question. With this button you can go to the previous question. The marks assigned to this first question is 10, which is indicated here. The total time, remaining time available for you to respond is indicated here, which is about 4 minutes 36 seconds now. The question appears in this location. If there is a figure, it appears here, which you can expand by clicking on this figure, and again go back to the main screen by clicking here. This is a multiple correct choice question, so I am selecting the correct choices as per my view. I am going to the next question, answering that one. Going to the next third question, again answering the third question. Answering now fourth question, now fifth question, sixth question, and now I am going to the last question. Here I am selecting the correct choices from the drop down menu for each of the questions. Some of the questions which are at the bottom, I can use this to explore those questions. Now after I answer all the 7 questions, I will hit the finish button. Immediately the result is displayed in front of me. It says you did not pass. The total questions in this test was 7. Total maximum score was 70. My score, that is our score, was 18, which is 26% of this maximum 70 score. Passing score was 56, which is 80% of the maximum 70 score, and the time duration which I took was 1 minute 41 seconds. I can review the quiz for getting the feedback about my own learning. So let's review the quiz. For example, the first question, I selected these 4 options as a correct one. This was not a correct option, so the answer was partially correct. I can select the next question to get the review feedback. This was a correct answer, while I chosen this one as a correct one, so it was an incorrect response. This was a correct answer, I chosen this as a correct option, so it was an incorrect response. This was a correct one, but I selected this one, so it was an incorrect answer. This was a selected option, while this was a correct option, so it is an incorrect response. This was a correct answer, and the same was chosen by me, so it was a correct answer. And these red color answers are wrong answers. As you can see, all the answers were wrong, but if I answered any correct answer, then it would have indicated in the green color. In this way, you can get the feedback about your own learning effectiveness from this self-test immediately, and then repeat that portion of the online lecture where your learning is still needs to be reinforced. I hope With this introduction and overview of the online lecture, you can enjoy online lecture and learn more effectively in your future career. Thank you.